Did you guys hear about the man who was kidnapped during Algeria's civil war and found alive 26 years later? It's crazy. The Algerian Ministry of Justice announced that Omar bin Omran, also known as Omar B, disappeared back in 1998 at the age of 19. I can't imagine what his mother went through. She must have felt endless heartache and despair, spending years hoping for her son's return. Tragically, she died thinking her son was gone forever, never knowing he was so close, held captive all those years. He was thought to have been kidnapped or killed, but just this week, at the age of 45, he was found alive. He'd been held captive all this time by a neighbor, right in a sheepfold hidden by haystacks, just 200 meters from his old home in Jelfa, northern Algeria. The ministry stated that an investigation into the heinous crime is ongoing and the victim is receiving medical and psychological care. Police caught the suspected captor, a 61-year-old doorman, when he tried to run away. They found out about the kidnapping because the suspect's brother shared important details online. It happened during a fight between the brothers about who gets what from their family's inheritance. I'm sorry, but I believe the brother should also be arrested for keeping quiet all these years. At 8 p.m. local time on May 12th, they found the victim, Omar bin Omran, who is 45 years old, in his neighbor's cellar. The neighbor, B.A., is 61 years old, stated a court official. The victim's mother passed away in 2013, while the family still believed he was likely dead. Media outlets in Algeria reported that bin Omran told his rescuers he could sometimes see his family from afar, but he felt unable to call out due to a spell his captor had cast upon him. Sounds like some scary black magic. Anyway, bin Omran's discovery on Sunday solves a mystery that had lingered in his community since Algeria's bloody civil war. Relatives of war victims are still seeking justice for their missing and dead loved ones. It might be time to thoroughly search the entire neighborhood, just in case someone else is holding someone captive. It's terrifying to think that someone you've lived next to your entire life could commit such a heinous crime. This will definitely raise some trust issues. It's a reminder to trust no one, not even your own shadow. What I want to understand is what led to Omar bin Omran being subjected to such cruelty, and what horrendous acts were inflicted upon him during his time in captivity.